Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to eSpares. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your Dyson stick vacuum has brush bar spinning issues. Always work safely. Disconnect the appliance before you start the repair. If your Dyson brush bar has stopped spinning, there could be a number of causes. I'm going to take you through these causes and find a solution for each one. When I switch on the vacuum, we can see the brush bar pulsing every few seconds, which indicates there is a blockage somewhere. I'm going to disconnect the motorhead and check the neck of the motorhead. As you can see, there's something inside causing a blockage. So I'm just going to use my fingers to remove. I can then reconnect the motorhead and give it a try. There we have it, working fine. If it's still not working, the next area to check is the wand. Disconnect from both ends. And look, it's that pesky cloth again. And just ensure that there are no further blockages and that you can see all the way through the wand. Then reconnect the wand and try again. Another area that can get blocked is the bin inlet here. So remove the wand, and would you believe, it's that pesky rag yet again. With the blockage removed, replace the wand and try once again. The last thing to check is the brush bar for blockages. I can see there is something trapped around the brush bar, stopping it from turning. This could be debris, string, or particularly hair. To get the brush bar out, I first need to remove the motor head. To remove the brush bar, simply follow the directions on the symbols here. Now, to remove the cap, you can use a flat-headed screwdriver, but I'm going to use a coin. So turn and then keep turning to make it pop up, and then simply remove it. Easy to get the brush bar out, just lift up and then pull all the way out. You can then remove any debris that's causing the blockage. To refit, push it all the way inside the motorhead and then replace the cap. So there we have it, how to fix brush bar spinning issues on a Dyson stick vacuum. Give this video a thumbs up if we've helped you, and subscribe for more handy how-to videos. Find all the spares and accessories you will ever need on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.